The perfect tomato for every purpose. Unlock tomato nirvana. Tired of bland, watery tomatoes ruining your dishes? Discover the secrets to selecting the perfect tomato for every culinary creation. Tomatoes are incredibly diverse, each boasting unique characteristics. From sweet and juicy to firm and acidic, the options are endless. Knowing your varieties is the first step to tomato mastery. Heirloom tomatoes are prized for their rich flavors and unique shapes. These open-pollinated varieties offer a taste of history. They often have thinner skins and shorter shelf lives. Hybrid tomatoes are bred for specific traits like disease resistance and uniform size. They are a reliable choice for consistent results. These are often found in supermarkets. When it comes to sauces, you need tomatoes with meaty flesh and low water content. These varieties will give you a rich, concentrated flavor. Say goodbye to watery, bland sauces. Roma tomatoes are a classic choice for sauces. Their oblong shape and dense flesh make them ideal for cooking down. They have a good balance of sweetness and acidity. San Marzano tomatoes are considered by many to be the gold standard for Italian sauces. They are sweeter and less acidic than Roma tomatoes. Their flavor intensifies when cooked. For salads, you want tomatoes that are juicy, flavorful, and visually appealing. These tomatoes should burst with freshness. A vibrant salad starts with vibrant tomatoes. Beefsteak tomatoes are large and meaty, perfect for slicing and layering in salads. Their juicy flesh and robust flavor make them a statement piece. They add a satisfying bite. Cherry tomatoes are small, sweet, and perfect for adding pops of flavor to salads. Their bite-sized shape makes them easy to eat. They come in a variety of colors, adding visual appeal. Grape tomatoes are similar to cherry tomatoes, but slightly more oblong. They have a firm texture and a sweet, mild flavor. They hold their shape well in salads. Salsas need tomatoes that are firm, flavorful, and hold their shape well. You want a balance of sweetness, acidity, and texture. A great salsa is all about the right tomato. Plum tomatoes, similar to Roma tomatoes, are a good choice for salsas. Their firm flesh and low water content prevent the salsa from becoming too watery. They offer a good balance of flavor. Heirloom tomatoes, especially those with a slightly firmer texture, can add unique flavor to salsas. Experiment with different varieties for a complex taste. Just be mindful of their shorter shelf life. Growing your own tomatoes is a rewarding experience. You'll have access to the freshest, most flavorful tomatoes imaginable. Plus, you'll know exactly where your food comes from. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Use a seed starting mix and provide plenty of light. Transplant seedlings outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Water regularly and fertilize as needed. Support your plants with stakes or cages. Proper storage is key to preserving the flavor and texture of your tomatoes. Don't let your precious tomatoes go to waste. Follow these tips for optimal storage. Never refrigerate whole tomatoes. Refrigeration can damage their cell structure, resulting in a mealy texture and loss of flavor. Store them at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. If you have cut tomatoes, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Use them within a few days for the best quality. Consider using them in cooked dishes if they start to soften. Want to take your tomato game to the next level? These tips and tricks will help you unlock even more flavor and versatility. Get ready to impress your friends and family. Roasting tomatoes intensifies their sweetness and adds a smoky depth of flavor. Toss them with olive oil, herbs, and garlic before roasting. Use them in sauces, soups, or as a side dish. Sun-drying tomatoes concentrates their flavor and creates a chewy texture. You can buy them pre-dried or make your own. Use them in pasta dishes, salads, or as a pizza topping. The possibilities with tomatoes are endless. From classic Italian dishes to innovative creations, there's a tomato recipe for everyone. Let your culinary creativity shine. Try making a classic caprese salad with fresh mozzarella, basil, and sliced tomatoes. Drizzle with balsamic glaze for an extra touch of sweetness. It's a simple yet elegant dish. Whip up a batch of homemade tomato soup. Use roasted tomatoes for a richer flavor. Serve with grilled cheese croutons for a comforting meal. Now you're armed with the knowledge to choose the perfect tomato for every purpose. From sauces to salads to salsas, you can elevate your dishes with the right variety. Embrace the tomato and unlock a world of flavor. Ready to transform your cooking with the perfect tomato? Start experimenting with different varieties and recipes today. Share your tomato creations with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary tips and tricks.